Hey, what is up you guys? Today I have another video for you guys on how you can get Minecraft launcher. That's yes, it's Minecraft, but it will not repeat. So just remember that and proceed with me. So the first step is to go down here and go down to the Windows Start menu and click on, type in Windows Microsoft Store, hit enter. It will open up your Microsoft Store. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's opening up your Microsoft Store. And the next thing you're going to do is go here and type in Minecraft. There we go. Just type it in. It will come up with all of these. What you need to be looking for is the Minecraft launcher. Click on it after you find it. One thing you need to note is this is by Microsoft. So remember that and let this load up. So you need to look over here and if it says Microsoft Studios, you're safe. But if it doesn't, you need to find another one. So there will be a install button. Here is the interface. Yeah. And you need to have Xbox for this. Xbox. The Xbox app. Here we go. Just install it, and I already have it. So yeah, Xbox is really cool. So that's how you get Minecraft launcher, and not the official one, but it's still a pretty good one. So I'll do, it's a pretty good launcher, but not as good as the real Minecraft. So you would need to purchase it. But hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.